soldering! For today's video, papakita po namin ngayon ay screwdriver Kingston 28-piece set of MR1-4mm precision lithium battery screwdriver KS-882037.
So, Vanji, anong specs at application ng ating screwdriver Kingston?
Highly transparent outer box, good visibility, flip cover design, 8 magnets, absorption, the bit is placed in the card slot, easy to fit and place. The magnetic absorption of the batch head makes it easy to disassemble and assemble. Comes with a knob switch to prevent the wrong operation of pressing the button. The knob is stepless, speed regulation, and the force and speed are selected. Magnetic absorption bit. 4 LED lights provides enough bright spots. 28 bits of high hardness S2 alloy material for 45 mm length to meet various deep holes and screw removal at the obstacle. Specification: bit 24 piece S2, PH000, PH00, PH0, PH1, PH2. Ang product name niya is 28 in electric screwdriver set. Ang brand niya is Kingston. Ang model niya po is KS-882037. Ang battery niya is Lion battery. Ang battery capacity niya is 330. Ang charging time is 50 minutes. Usually, 30 minutes, pwede na siya ma-fully charge. Ang load speed, 200 R-minutes. Bit material, S2, electric, 0.25-0.35 and 0.M. So, what is the use of 28-piece set of MR1 4mm precision lithium battery screwdriver KS-882037? The 28-piece set of MR1-4mm precision lithium battery screwdriver KS-882037 is a specialized toolkit designed for precision work on electronic devices. Particularly, those that use lithium batteries are some common use and features of this toolkit. Number 1, precision work. The set is specifically designed for delicate and work on small electronic devices such as smartphone, laptops, cameras, and other gadgets that require screwing and unscrewing. Number 2, lithium battery compatibility. The toolkit is ideal for devices that use lithium batteries and ensure the safe handling and maintenance of these types of batteries during repair or maintenance tasks. Number 3, versatile set. With 28 pieces included in the set, it offers a wide range of screwdriver bits and tools to handle various types of screw commonly found in electronic devices. Number 4, magnetic tip. The screwdriver bits often come with magnetic tips which help securely holding screw in place and preventing them from getting lost during the repair processes. Durable and high quality. The tools in this set are typically made of high quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity for frequent use. Number 6, convenient storage. The set usually comes in compact and organized case or box, making it easy to store and carry around for on-the-go repairs. So, ang overall, the 28-piece set of MR1-4mm precision lithium battery screwdriver KS-882037 is valuable toolkit for professionals and DIY working on electronic devices that require precision handling and maintenance. So yun guys, available po yan sa ating shop.
So guys, itong ating electric screwdriver ay may kasama siyang charger and then mga bits. So itong pinapakita namin na isa-isa ay yung mga bits na kasama ng ating electric screwdriver. Ayan ang ating mga bits. Kasama ng ating electric screwdriver. So guys, ito ang ating electric screwdriver. So guys, ang type ng kanyang charger ay type C. So guys, dito siya ino-open. Siya ino-open at dito din siya ino-off. On and off. Kumbaga, dito na rin. Long press nyo lang siya. Then, tsaka siya on. Pagka gusto nyo na siyang patayin, long press ulit. Yun. Mag-off siya. So guys, itong ating electric screwdriver ay good quality. Zero complaint ito mga guys. %100%. So guys, meron kaming available dito sa shop. Ang ating shop ay located sa Balibago. Yun siya guys. Mag-try tayong maglagay ng isang bit. Tayo ng isang bit. Lalagay natin siya dito. Susuksok nyo lang siya susuksok nyo lang siya dyan guys. And then, para siyang may magnetic dun sa loob na pagsusuksokan ng ating bit. Ayan guys. Nalagyan na natin siya ng isang bit. So, try naman natin guys, saksak yung kanyang charger. Ano siya guys? Types. Yun guys. umilaw na siya. Ibig sabihin yan guys, kaya siya umilaw is nag-charge na siya. Pag i-on, long press. Pag i-off, long press. Yan guys. Kung makikita nyo dun sa may pinagsuksukan ng ating bit. Nakikita nyo guys is nailaw siya. Means, siya ay lobat pa. So guys, ito ang ating electric screwdriver na may kasama din siya guys na manual. So, ito ang ating electric screwdriver Kingston. Ayun lang guys. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account.
Thank you!